Touch the lay everyone, welcome back learning Tolma. So we are in part 5 Tolma Nyerchik La Te Pa Phrases to 21 Taras. 타나로 토가 톡마 톡마 마링보 메다 멧 나사 네 멧네 다 라따따따 아기구이 때 따때 바라 발 톡마 멧네 따때 발 마기구 미 táo gá đừng bố ghê mì ghê bảo cha sập dù chú đá ngà đăng chú đăng máu cha má sa chăm má đừng bố mẹ ta mẹ chăm mẹ lá ngà ta ngà mì ghê chú đăng chăm mẹ ngà sa trình bộ xe má sa xem ná kỳ gu ni xem ni nhá nà ro nhó nà nhuyễn má nà ro mô ngá sa mông nhìn mông táo quá ngà quăng gá e da giá sạp yu yu ra gyur pa a kỳ gu yi pe quăng gyur pe xem nè nhìn mông quăng gyur pe sa da 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 ki gu di ka tik pa tha ma sa tham cha ta che tham che bảo sha ka sa shak para par shak par गाय ता या किगु गी tik pa tham chet shak par gi thok ma me ne ta te par mi ge chu dang cham me nga xem nè nhìn mông quăng gyur pe tik pa tham chet shak par gi. Okay, so these are the literal translated the meaning in English. So you can see here. And this one is just the meaning of the word of individual. Tokma me is like beginningless. Ne is from. Ta is noun. Agyuyi is connective particle. Par is until. Mige is non-virtuous. Chu is tent. Dang is end. Tamme is the literally is the meaning is tamme is there is no gap. Literally tam is there is a boundary. It's me is like negation. There is no boundary. So there is 5 kinds of negative karma, so which is called the immediate karma. I mean, is if you commit this karma and when you die there is no gap between the die and the born. So it's like right away. For example, if someone die and then their mind is wandering in the pardo means it's like a mm, intermediate state. Pardo is like people mind or their consciousness wandering for 49 days, and then they reborn whatever the person will be born. So in this case, if someone commit these five the negative actions, is like very serious, the one will born right away. If one die, immediately one will born in the hell realm or whatever that take place. That's why it's the meaning of tamme. There is no gap. So it will come later. I will explain to you more what are the five. Sem is the mind. Ni is like indicating next subject. Nien mong is conflicting emotions. Wang gyurpe is the under power connecting particle. Agui. Tikpa is negative actions, the bad karma, bad action. Tamche is all. Shakpar is the confess. Gi is act. So in this case, in these prayers, what is talking about? Is that it's like from the beginningless. What they're talking about the from the beginningless is like this samsara is, we cannot tell when it started. When it started. So it seems that we cannot tell when this samsara is. So we cannot tell how many life I have been born in this samsara. So there is countless. I have been born so many life. We cannot tell. We cannot count. That's why it's from the beginning less. Until now is we have, what we have doing? We have doing negative. And a migechu is a 10 non-virtue action. Migechu is a 10 non-virtue action. I will show you below. And sangme nga, and also this, the very serious karma we have been committing. Why? Because our mind is the control, is under the power by conflicting emotion. Because our mind is controlled by this conflicting emotion. Nyemong. I will show you below what are they. It will get you more clear. Tikpa, because of controlling our mind by the power of, under the power of conflicting emotion, and we do bad actions, right? We have done so many. We cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have done countless. So therefore, during this practice, Grintara practice, so what do we do? The first one, we know, no previous one, we have an offering, right? We invite Girintara, a prayer is saying, and then we do a prostration. And next one, you have seen that then Girintara one is there, and they were offering all these things. You see, now is what we're doing is we confess through them. From beginning last time, I have been doing negative karma by the power of under the power of complete emotion of my mind, doing negative karma, bad thing. So therefore now I confess all these things, because now I realize. So that's why this prayer mainly talk as a confess. Because of course we have done bad thing in this life. We remember some what we have done, but we don't remember or what we have done in the previous life. So many lifetime we don't know, but still our karma is still there. If we don't have negative karma, we are not born in this samsara. We will be enlightened. Why we are not enlightened? Why we become not enlightened? Because we are still have a karma. So still we need to purify. We need to confess. So that's why it's confess. This prayer is man is confess whatever I have done negative karma. If you confess, it will purify. So now I will show you next one. So here is a migeju, a 10 non-virtue action. You might be wondering what are they? Is first one is sokjeba. Sokjeba is a taking life. Of course, you know the sokjeba. So we kill anything living lives, taking life of any human, animal, any insect is whatever the life is there is take that is sokjeba. And Majimber Lemba is stealing. It's kind of stealing that not belong to you. It's still somebody things. Majimber Lemba. Depe Lokper Yemba means sexual misconduct. And that is something that if you are married and then you go, you also make time to, go with the if husband is married and then this husband go to another wife with another wife is still married, and that also this is the negative sexual misconduct. If wife is married and go to another with man, and that are misconduct. So they're also negative because they are married but still going with other with people that is like their vow is not together, right? Kind of cheating or deceiving, something like that. That's why it's non-virtue actions. Is that non-virtue? Jundumawa is a lying. So you can be there. The lying is, you can lie, the big lie, small lie, that it in trying to get your own profit and good things, and you lie anything. Tama is a divisive talk. It's a tama. Tama is decisive talk. Is something that between you talk with somebody who are very good friend, couple, between couple, you talk chak chik chak chak chik chik chik, and then they become like, oh, because of the person trying to make trouble between two them, so this making divide too. So that's what's not good. Tik tsup is harsh words. Oh, I put the har. I got that wrong. This it should be like HAR SHIK, harsh. There's a hard. I get it wrong spelling. Tik tsup is a like harsh word, like a oh, you are the stupid, you are the damn, you are the bad, you are the thief, you are the bad person. This is sick. You are like blind. There is such a the word that it hurt people, right? Oh, that's a sick soup. Ngakkel is idle talk. The idle talk is something there is nonsense. There is no meaning. People just chuck 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 chuck. It's called is according to the just normal people is okay, but according to the people who practice dharma, it's not good because it's wasting time. If someone if you talk the nonsense thing doesn't make sense, it doesn't helpful, because nonsense talk will bring more like your mind is disturbing. So that's why it's negative. Nopsim is a covetousness. I don't know, it's hard for me to also hard to read this meaning. It's like, I know English are very hard, but there's also synonym. But it's napsim is something that you see who has a nice house, nice things, it's a nice life. Your mind is not feeling good. Your mind is feeling something like you wanted to have those good things. If you see something good thing to that anybody, you want to have this. If somebody has a nice iPhone, nice watch, nice house, nice car, oh, that I need. Kind of, I need that. Not deserve them. I deserve. I need. I need. Everything good thing is I need. Napsen. Napsen. Okay. Nesim is harmful thought. I mean, it's you trying to harm. You're trying to harm anybody that you don't like. You trying to harm to your enemy, or if someone says bad thing and you trying to harm, or you wanted to, you wish to harm somebody, like oh, I knew that person told me something bad word, bad thing. One day when my time is come, I will really say bad thing in front of a lot of people. I will make this person very what shameful, this kind of thing, something harmful thought. These are non-virtue action. Lokta is a wrong view. Lokta is a wrong view. Wrong view means is something according to the Buddhism. Yeah, for example, if you do good thing, you will, doing a good action, you will come good thing. It's kind of a action result. If you do a bad thing, oh, you will get the bad thing. For example, if you do a bad karma, the the result of bad karma will lead to your next suffering for you in next life. It's kind of like the wrong view is, if I kill people, there is no negative. It's like the person who take that, if I do good thing, I don't get nothing. If I do bad thing, I will not get nothing. Kind of like total taking, like don't care, don't believe. If you do a good karma, is there is nothing, good. If you do a bad thing, there is nothing coming bad thing. Kind of totally not really believing. So call it wrong view. Okay. The sokjepa maj is like taking life, stealing. So these are just briefly explanation. You can learn, of course. I think during this time it's good to learn few. So take so taking life, stealing, sexual misconduct is commit. It's called ligigoni, mean is a three from the body. So this three has to be commit coming from our body. So that means we commit through our body. And lying, divisive talk, harsh words, and idle talk is called ngagi goni. She meant is a four from the speech. So that is coming from the speech that we commit. Four from our speech. And here yigigone is a three from the mind, is napsem, nesem, lokta. So this three coming from the our commit from our mind. So I just trying to put three from the body, four from the speech, three from the mind. It's total 10. So there's 10 non-virtual actions. Okay, so previously I have talked this one. Tamenga is like a immediate. So I have here now for you. For you guys, Tamenga is a 5 immediate karma or 5 heinous act. So that what are the 5 is Masepa, killing one's mother, Pasepa, killing one's father, Dachomba Sepa is killing unheard. For this are unheard is something like a person who has already achieved certain level, Dachomba. And Dishin Shekpe Kula Nyen Semyi Takjimba. Deshin Shekpe Kula Nyen Semyi Takjimba. Very long. So that is like a with bad intentions drawing blood from a Buddha. You know, so this is the 4. Gedin gi in jeba is a causing a split in the Sangha. Sangha is referring to the, like the monastery group of the monk. This is called Sangha. So, you already know, Mahasiva killing one's mother, killing one's father, killing our heart. So these are like a very it's like it's very high level of the negative karma that one will commit, and then one will die. It's like no gap between the die and then born. It will right away. Once die, immediately go to the lower realm. The lower realm is called hell realm. There are many, but that is called going to the lower realm. So this is very important, because when we are reciting prayer, of course, then we will have at least some idea of what it's mean, right? So you can study. And then Nimonga, I have talked about conflicting emotions. Here is the Nyenmong. Nyenmong, we have taught in that prayer, Nyenmong. So now I have put it over here, Nyenmong. So that is called a conflicting emotion. So it translated is a 5 poison. Nyenmong, Dunga. So it's a 5 poison. So why it's called this one a 5 poison, because it's when these things come up in our mind, it becomes like poison, disturbing. So what are the 5? Is Dechak is attachment, Shedang is anger, Timuk is ignorance, Ngajal is pride, Chadok is jealousy. So you can see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are called the like a 5 poison. It's called conflicting emotion. For example, we can clearly recognize like a attachment. Sometimes people might think, what is attachment? If you don't get it, the attachment is the huge. For example, you can be attached to your wealth, your money, your name, your property, or you are attached to your family, your wife, your son. So many. For example, a very simple thing. If you have a very nice iPhone, it called it like a new version, iPhone 11. If you lost, what happened? Your heart is beating. Oh my God, my beautiful iPhone is gone. You see, you feel because you feel a pain. Why? Because you are attached to this beautiful iPhone. If you lost the first iPhone, very old one, don't care, because you don't feel pain. Why? Because it's too old, it doesn't work, it doesn't give you pain, because you don't have attachment. But if you lost new one, you have attachment, and you feel when it lost it. The heart has a lot of pain. That is called attachment. So for example, if you love someone, we love somebody, if we lost, and how we feel pain, right? That's called attachment. Attachment thing is like huge. You can be attached to the well, you attached to your name, you attached to your family, you attached to your country, you attached to your anything that. And Shedang is kind of anger. Of course, everybody know, if you anger, what happened? Even you trying to hit, you trying to do, even you trying to fight, even if you're small, you cannot fight, but if somebody is big, you're trying to fight, right? So there's Shedang. Timuk is something that, what ignorance? Ignorance means is that something we cannot, we cannot like identify. Oh, this is good, this is bad. Ignorant is something that is not that something ignorant. Ignorant is something that we are not able to understand. Things. There are so many things we don't understand because we are ignorant. It's kind of ignorant is give an example of like darkness, in the dark place, okay? Timok. Ngangyal is what is called I'm pride. The pride is, oh, I am the good, I'm the beautiful, I am the rich one, I'm the anybody is nothing. They are poor, nothing. They see. You see, there's a ngangyal. It's like if somebody told you to do this, oh no, I know already. I know because of pride. Don't listen. Don't tell me what to do because of ngangyal. Tadok is jealousy, of course. If somebody competing with you, or you will get jealous. If somebody get a nice car, oh, I want to get a car. Oh, and somebody got a nice other stuff like good iPhone. Oh, I want to get there. I feel like competition. Jealous. You can see this thing are business people are compete like company. Any company they compete because they're jealousy. I want to make my company is better than other one, and they think, oh no, I'm going to make my company is better than other one. Just like anything is compete. The compete brother sister, family, family compete. There are so many things we can look at. So this call is five poison. That attachment, anger, ignorance, pride, jealousy. These are the main make us trouble. If this five poison is come up in our mind, then we are something bad day. You see, not all that is day is not going well. So that's why it's good to recognize. So that way we can try to, oh, no good. We can try to reduce. We try to no good. If we don't recognize what are the five poison, how we can avoid. How can we can reduce from our mind, right? That's why it is good to learn. Okay, the video is getting too long. So you can see along below this video, click on the link, download PDF file, enjoy learning Tolma. Jema Jayong, see you later, bye for now.